Hello everyone. In previous sessions we have started with wild animals. In that session we learned that why do wild animals are called as wild animals? Because can you tell me Spruha what is the reason behind it? Yes, because they live in forests. Yes. So today we will continue with next content. Let's begin then.
Children, we all live in our house. What do you think? Why houses are necessary for us? Yes, because our home protect us from danger, thieves, bad weather like rain, cold, summer season. Yes. So, at home we feel safe. So we need house to live in. In the same way, wild animals also live in their houses. Some animals make their own homes, but some animals find a place to live in. Yes, so let's study about some of the homes of wild animals. In this picture, you can see lion lives in a den. Yes, in a forest, anywhere, if he finds any den, he can live there. Leopards. Now, some of the animals live in den, but there are some animals they spend the majority of their lives in the trees or on the trees, you can say. They eat, sleep, and play in the tree canopy. There are many animals that live in trees, including monkeys, koalas, sloths, parrots, chameleons, snakes, insects. Yes, so these are the different varieties who spend most of their time on the trees or in the trees. And do you know, children, these animals are called as arboreal animals who live on trees. Okay, try to remember this word. These animals use trees for food, shelter, to lay eggs in their nests. Yes, they rest there or they can protect themselves from the predators. Sometimes they are waiting on the trees to hunt or capture their prey. So, trees are very useful for these wild animals. In this picture, you can see that animals like snakes and rats make holes in the ground and they live there. Yes, some animals live in forests. They just keep on roaming around in search of food. Animals like birds make nests with twigs and grass on the trees, and these nests are useful for them to lay their eggs also. Rabbits make holes in the ground and these holes are called as burrows. Now, what is a burrow? Burrow is a hole or you can say tunnel into the ground. They create a long space for themselves to live in burrows. Yes, These burrows provide a shelter against predators. Whenever there is any danger for them, they can hide in their burrows. So, rabbits live in burrows. The next one, bees. Bees make a beehive. You know, children, bees collect honey from the nectar of flowers and keep them in their beehives. Some animals, such as elephants, monkeys, they do not have their own homes. They just roam around in the forest. Like you know, monkeys are moving from one tree to another tree all the time. They have their food on the trees like fruits, seeds, nuts. Yes, so some animals don't have the homes. So children, today we learned that like us, animals also need their homes to keep their family safe from the danger or bad weather. So let's read a lesson now. Where do wild animals live? Your home protects you from danger and bad weather. Animals also need homes to protect themselves and their babies. Some animals make their own homes. Other animals find a place to live in. Snakes and rats live in holes in the ground. Birds make nests with twigs and grass. They make nests to lay eggs. Rabbits make holes in the ground. They are called burrows. Bees make a beehive. Some animals, such as elephants and monkeys, do not have homes. They roam around in the forest. Now, children, there is a puzzle. Can you tell me the answers? Yes. Tell me then. Niharika, you tell me the first answer. I am small and grey. I live in a hole in the ground. Yes, Niharika? Yes, you are correct. It's a rat. Now, Ayush, you tell me. I have long ears. I live in a burrow. Tell me this animal. Yes, very good. It's a rabbit. As just now we learned that rabbits live in a burrow. Now next one. I am big and I have a long nose. I roam around in the forest. Which is this animal? Yes, it's an elephant. It keeps on roaming in the jungle. Very good answers. Now, today what will you do, children? Read page number 25 and 26 as a homework. Okay. Now, we will see a video of homes of animals. Let's see a video.
A lion in the den, a lion in the den. Roar, roar, says the lion, lion in the den. A bear in the cave, a bear in the cave. Growl, says the bear, a bear in the cave. A snake in the hole, a snake in the hole. Hiss, hiss, says a monkey on the tree. Chitter chatter says the monkey, monkey on the tree. A rabbit in a burrow, a rabbit in a burrow. Squeak, squeak says the rabbit, rabbit in a burrow. An owl in a tree hole, an owl in a tree hole. Hoot, hoot says the owl, an owl in a tree hole. A bee in the hive, a bee in the hive. Buzz, buzz says the bee, a bee in the hive. A mouse in a hole, a mouse in a hole. Squeak, squeak says the mouse, a mouse in a hole. A bird in the nest, a bird in the nest. Tweet, tweet says the bird, a bird in the nest.
So, children, today we learned about the wild animals and their homes. I hope you must have enjoyed today's session. See you in the next session then. Thank you. Goodbye.